All right, so today we are going to be making our own toothpaste. I've been working towards getting chemicals out of my life and getting as close to nature as I can. So we are going to make some homemade toothpaste from scratch using pure baking soda, which you can get at any grocery store, using organic virgin unrefined coconut oil, which I pulled out of my fridge. You can see I've already used a good chunk of it because I use coconut oil for so many things. And a mint plant. We are going to tear off some mint for flavor. I have seen, when I was doing my research on how to make your own toothpaste, I have seen that some people will say to use peppermint essential oil as a flavor. But I went and looked at it, and on the packaging it says for the essential oils to make sure not to put it in your mouth, not to get it near your eyes, so it's not ingestible. So don't use a peppermint essential oil. Either use a fresh peppermint plant, or you could probably get like peppermint flavoring in the baking aisle. But I'm trying to get as close to nature as I can, so we're going to use a peppermint plant. At some point, I want to get a organic real coconut and crack it open and put all the stuff from the coconut in a jar so that it's that fresh and organic and from nature. But for right now, for this video, we're going to be just going with the jar and making our coconut. I also got this super cute brush that I'm going to be opening up for this video. I figured if I'm going to go this far and make it as close to nature as I can, that I'd get a bamboo brush too. So I'm going to open it for the first time with you guys. And super cute. I love that there's like a nice little message on it. Hello, gorgeous. All right, so let's get started. Let's see, I'm going to also like rinse off the brush really quick because, you know, it's out of the package. So let's see. So for the coconut oil, I'm gonna just take a chunk of it. I did take this out of my fridge about like a half hour ago so that it can not be quite as hard, which it is still a little bit hard, but let's see. So my plan is to make some fresh toothpaste every 2 to 3 days. So I'll make just enough for like 2 to 3 days, and then I can make some more. All right, and then some baking soda for the grit. All of this I'm opening from scratch, so let's see, this is kind of tough. All right, got me a little wooden spoon here. So I'm not measuring it, I'm just kind of putting in like what feels right. Even when I cook, I don't use recipes and measure. I just go by what feels right. All right, so mixing it all up. Getting it all mixed. Mixing, mixing, mixing. And then I'm going to tear off some plant here. Let's see, I'll take some from the back. And one thing about mint is that I have a cat and mint is toxic for cats. So if you're going to go this route, keep the mint plant outside and away from your cat, so you don't end up having to take your cat to the vet or your cat gets really sick. This looks yummy. It looks like snow with like fresh herbs in it. It's nice. That's a lot better than toothpaste that's all like this weird gel that comes out of this like aluminum tube and it's all like artificial looking. Like, this is nice. I want to put this in my mouth. All right. All right, so I've got it all nice and like, you can see it's kind of toothpastey. And I'm gonna put it on the toothbrush. This is my first time trying it. I'm trying it with you guys. I have no idea how this is gonna be. All right, let's make this look nice. Let's see. There we go. Okay, interesting. So it didn't taste good and it didn't taste bad. The oil was actually kind of nice. Yeah, so it was minty and kind of oily. It's interesting. It's interesting. I liked it. The aftertaste tastes like coconut oil. And yeah, so that's how you make your own toothpaste from what I found. Mint, baking soda, and coconut oil. Super simple, make your own toothpaste.